Hello you guys, and welcome to the most exciting video that I didn't think I was gonna get to post this week, but here we are. I'm gonna try and get it up for you guys tomorrow. Today is Thursday. We have a very exciting thing happening tomorrow. I'm trying not to say it before I wanna say it, but this is the last video that will include anything about the she shed before the final reveal, because this wall tomorrow is getting the built-in bookshelf that I have been waiting on for 2 months. Actually longer than 2 months. We ordered it on March 3rd. He said it would probably take about 3 weeks. Today is May 13th. So it's been over 8 weeks, possibly over 9 weeks. And I have been going crazy waiting on this thing. But at the same time, I did learn a lot of patience. I got to a point where I thought it really might not be done for 6 months. And I was trying to figure out how in the world to accept that. But we got the call on Tuesday that it's being delivered tomorrow. So my videos go up on Fridays at 2 p.m. But I was planning on being in Raleigh tomorrow by 2 p.m. But now that I have to be here in the morning for the delivery, maybe I will get a little clip of the delivery and then sneak that into this video. But if I don't, just know that in this video, we are doing everything to get ready for that bookshelf. So you can see that we had to fix some spots on the wall because we had to run some cables for like Wi-Fi and things like that. So today I'm painting this green again. It's already all smooth and sanded and everything. So I'm painting that green. I have just a couple of picture frames that I want to sand and paint because we're getting the final things ready. So if I can just get those picture frames done, I can start printing pictures to put in them and start really getting all of the decor and everything ready. And hopefully we will get the shelves mounted. I'm not sure if we'll have them mounted by tomorrow morning or if that will just be in another video, but I will include some footage of us working on them. So we just have some final steps to do. That's what this video is going to be, and it's the final one before the reveal. So that means that when I get home from Raleigh on Sunday, I will start moving boxes in here, and we will start getting the furniture from all the different places that it's at, and we will start moving it in here. So we have a lot of big things that we need to do before I can start decorating. Like we have to move the rugs and furniture and hang everything on the walls. So we'll probably do a lot of that stuff. And don't worry, I'm gonna be filming the whole thing. The way that I'm gonna order everything is I'm gonna show you the final reveal, and then I'm gonna show you all of the videos of me decorating the place. So instead of it being like an hour-long video of me decorating the shed, I'm gonna do a final reveal video, and then I'm gonna do like some behind-the-scenes videos. So you have a lot of exciting videos coming up. I'm so glad you're subscribed. I know there's only like 25 of you guys right now, but if you're new and you're stumbling across this video, I built a she shed. There's 25 videos about it, including the final reveal whenever it comes out. So right now there's 24 videos about me and my dad building a she shed, and it's coming to a close. We are going to be done in less than 2 weeks. So at this point, it's really just all about how fast I can get everything decorated. It's the most exciting time. This is what I have been looking forward to for a year. So we started in June of last year, and it's May 13th, like I said. So we're almost full circle, almost to the year mark. And I'm just so happy that it's gonna be getting done around exactly a year, and that we don't have to go over a year because that would be crazy. So as you can tell, I'm really, really excited about this. As soon as I heard that we were getting the delivery, I texted my friends and I was like, it's done, it's happening, it will be done. And so I think a part of me wondered if this place would ever be fully done, but it's in sight now. And so I hope you guys stick around for the rest of this video to see the final things. I just want to thank you guys for being here on this journey. It's winding down and I'm feeling very, very sentimental about it all, but I just want you to get so excited for this final reveal because I am so excited. So here's the footage from the rest of the video, just lots of clips of us doing random things. And then we'll be all ready for the final reveal. So actually my plan was this weekend I was going to try to get the shelves hung in the bathroom, and then I was just gonna finish the bathroom. So I'll take you in there in just a second. So I was gonna try to get the shelves hung in this closet area and the dresser that I painted in my last vlog put in here. And then I was just gonna finish the rest of the bathroom. I was gonna hang the mirror, hang the towel rack, do all of that stuff, and give you guys a bathroom reveal this Friday. But once I got the call about the bookshelf being delivered, I was like, okay, this is perfect. This is what I wanted all along. We don't have to do a separate bathroom reveal. We can do it all together. It will all be finished at the same time now. So it's just really sweet to see it all coming together. It's making my heart really, really happy. So here we go. We're gonna finish everything up that we possibly can. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm standing right where the built-in is probably already. If you're watching this, that means it's Friday at 2 p.m. and this built-in is already delivered. So hopefully you saw a clip of that, but I'm so excited that this is finally happening. And I just want to thank you guys for the millionth time for watching this, for being a part of this journey. I know each and every one of you that is watching is sincerely involved and excited for me. You guys have texted me and told me how excited you are for me. And you guys have really encouraged me along this journey to just keep making these videos. And it means the world to me. You have no idea what it means to me when I hear from you guys. And I can't wait for you all to visit it. I'm seriously gonna invite every person that I've ever known to come and see it because I'm so proud of it. I cannot believe we built this with our two hands. So I'm not sure who I'm gonna get to film the final reveal for me, but it might be my dad. You might hear my dad behind the camera. So I've got a lot to figure out this week, but I'm gonna go enjoy a weekend in Raleigh with my friends because I've had this planned for a while and I haven't seen friends in so long. So I'm gonna go enjoy that weekend, but I'm also gonna be getting really excited and feeling a lot of anticipation for coming home and getting to finally decorate. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, you have got to hit the subscribe button today. If you don't know what subscribing is, there are buttons all around. There's a little one in the corner. There's one beneath the video. You can click the links in my bio and subscribe, or you can find my channel and subscribe there. There's literally so many ways to subscribe, But subscribing just means that when I post the final reveal, you will see it on your YouTube homepage. You will see it in your subscription box and it will be there. It's totally free, but you don't want to miss this final reveal. I know you don't. This is the video that I've been hyping up for like 6 months. So get ready for the final reveal. Subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're most excited to see. I know I've hinted at a lot, but there's also so much that you have no idea about. So you have got to stick around for that video because there are a million surprises waiting for you guys. And it's a surprise for me too because I haven't seen it all put together yet. I've just seen all of the pieces in their boxes. You guys, there are things that I ordered from Etsy or things that are like wall decor that I haven't even unboxed because it's kind of honestly a pain to keep up with it once you unbox it. So there are lots of surprises coming for me too because I finally get to unbox everything and see what it looks like put up against the walls. And so I am so excited. I don't know if I've ever been this excited, probably for like vacations and really fun things in the past, but this is something that I did with my own 2 hands, me and my dad, and so many people have helped me along the way and have encouraged me along the way. So I can't say what this whole journey means to me, but I'm sure I will talk about that a lot more in the final reveal. So I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on Monday with a vlog from Raleigh. It's going to be super fun. I get into a lot of fun things with my friends. So I will try to vlog this weekend and let you see some of our adventures. And then the videos after that are going to be all about the she shed. We're going to do a final reveal and we're going to do behind the scenes. So get really excited. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.